In Limestone, Athens City Schools reported only 15 new cases, and the recent purchase of face scanning stations is only helping curb the spread of the virus. News 19's Ethan Fitzgerald explains how the district got the devices and how the district plans to use them long term.
Athens City School purchased 20 face scanners for roughly $50,000, something that most school districts in Alabama could not afford had it not been for the CARES Act.
You walk up to the screen, square yourself up, in less than a second, GoSafe takes your temperature.
The nurse can monitor it from her desk, or the front office person can monitor it from their desk, and it has a date, the time, and the face, the picture of it, so the nurse knows exactly who came through there.
The device can send email and push alerts to whoever needs to know if someone spikes a fever. It was the spiking of COVID-19 cases that gave Athens City Schools the final push they needed to invest in the technology.
And of course numbers, began to spike, and then we got to thinking, well, you got flu season going forward, and it's going to always be here, whether COVID is or not. And so at that point, we thought it was a good investment for the schools.
Athens City Schools says in the past, flu cases caused 20% of their students to be out of school. And as far as keeping track of those who are in school, GoSafe can use facial recognition with or without a mask and can sync to ID cards and even automatic doors.
Stranger.
It can connect to our student information system down the road, and if we did require everybody to walk in front of it, it would actually take attendance and let us know who's here.
Athens City School isn't quite sure if they're going to use those face scanning devices for attendance just yet. They want to make sure they can get the students into the school and into class in a timely manner. In Athens, Ethan Fitzgerald, News 19.
Athens City Schools is in the process of installing the face scanning devices. Not all student and staff are required to be scanned before entering school buildings just yet.